Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall PayPal Express checkout integration, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the PayPal Express checkout integration, first, ensure that you have administrative access to your website or application. Begin by logging into your web hosting platform or content management system. Navigate to the dashboard where your integrations and plugins are managed. Locate the section for installed plugins or integrations. Find the PayPal Express checkout integration in the list. Select the option to deactivate the integration first. Confirm the deactivation if prompted. Once deactivated, proceed to uninstall the integration. Click on the Uninstall option next to the PayPal Express checkout integration. Again, confirm the uninstallation if required. After uninstallation, check for any remaining files or settings related to the integration. If any files remain, navigate to the File Manager or use an FTP client. Locate the folder or files associated with PayPal Express checkout. Delete any leftover files or folders to ensure complete removal. Next, go back to your website settings and review your payment methods. Ensure that PayPal Express checkout is no longer listed as an available payment option. Finally, test your website's checkout process to confirm that PayPal Express checkout has been fully uninstalled. This completes the process for uninstalling the PayPal Express checkout integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.